Red. Red. Green. Blue. What color is the cup? Well done. This cup is green. What color is the car? Well done. This car is red. What color is the shirt? Well done. This shirt is blue. Yellow. Gray. White. Black. What color is the car? Well done. This car is black. What color is the bird? Well done. This bird is yellow. What color is the dog? Well done. This dog is white. What color is the cat? Well done. This cat is gray. Pink. Purple. Brown. Orange. Cyan. What color is the pen? Well done. This pen is orange. What color is the flower? Well done. This flower is pink. What color is the pen? Well done. This pen is purple. What color is the wall? Well done. This wall is cyan. Nice try. This is the correct answer.
Yay!